What's we break it Android here? So, China is doing almost everything to kill the sales of the newly introduced Apple iPhone 15 series with the help of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, and it seems everything is going according to their plan. However, people in China still wants Apple iPhone to use because it is true that Apple's ecosystem is pretty strong to break. Well, after the launch of the iPhone 15 series, close to 1 million people on Weibo discussed it, and Apple gained over 380 million views on Weibo with more than 800k discussions, including posts, comments and likes on the iPhone 15. Of course, not all of those close to 1 million discussions were giving positive vibes, but it's only natural for the September 12 premiere to gather different opinions. But here is the surprising part. A survey by the Chinese news portal Hina on Weibo asked participants about their phone preferences, choosing between the Huawei Mate 60 Pro and the iPhone 15 series. Well, the results saw 61,000 votes for the Huawei Mate 60 Pro versus 24,000 votes for the iPhone 15, which is not even half of the votes of the newly introduced Huawei Mate 60 Pro. But still, a survey of that kind is not to be regarded as some serious evidence for what's about to happen. But nevertheless, it's a market marker to an extent. Anyway, overall, people praising the brand new iPhone 15 due to the new A17 chip and the improved gaming capabilities, because in China, there are many mobile gamers and the gaming capability of a given device are not to be neglected. But overall, the iPhone 15 series is not getting as much response as the Huawei Mate 60 Pro got earlier. And guys, don't forget one thing. China is the third largest market for Apple, and surely it is an important market for Apple, and the action taken by the Chinese government was considered a huge negative for Apple, especially with the release of its new iPhone 15 lineup. That is why we are seeing rapid drop in Apple stock that took place the following day. So Apple is in serious trouble, and they should be worried because of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, which already got 61,000 votes on the most popular social media platform, Weibo. So yeah, what do you think about it? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.